All right, everybody, today I got something special I want to show y'all. Some beautiful Louisiana soft shell crabs, okay? So they're just like regular blue crabs, y'all, except these are soft shell. For a very, very short period of time, they come out their shells to get a bigger shell, and they hurry up and they grab them out the water, and so they stay soft, okay? So the whole thing is completely soft. Like you see, they can still alive. They're just very soft. And down here, what we do is we like to fry them up. I like to deep fry my soft shell crabs, y'all. So I want to go ahead and show y'all how to do it and exactly how this works. And if you ever get the opportunity to get your hands on some soft shell crabs, definitely do it. They're delicious. So check it out, y'all. When I say soft shell crab, I mean, look, you can literally just, it's like less than paper thin. I mean, it's real soft, look. Okay? So, I mean, it's very soft. So you eat the whole thing. Once we clean it, we're going to eat the whole entire thing. I mean, it's very soft. They literally can't protect themselves when they're in this stage at all, okay? So let's go ahead. Let me show y'all exactly what you need to do in the process to clean it. It's easy. Let me just show you. All right, y'all. So first thing first, go ahead on, lift your shell up. Get you some good little scissors and go ahead and cut that right off right there, okay? You don't want them dead legs in there. Go ahead on, just cut those down to like so, like that, okay? All right, look, check it out. Now, you don't want to cut too much right there because it is meat. So just go ahead on, y'all, and make sure you do get all of them out of there when you want it to look just like this, okay, with the meat right there. Look, just go ahead on, lift it up, same as we did, and do the same thing on this side, okay? Go ahead on and cut them right on off, you know. Now, look, check it out. When you're cutting off the dead legs, y'all, you can only go so far down because if you go too far, you're going to cut the legs off, okay? And then you're going to lose all them good legs. So you can only go so far down. See where they was right down here, y'all? You go too far down and start cutting, and it's gonna take all the legs off, all right? Keep that in mind. Get as close to the bottom as you can, like so, just like that. And make sure and get rid of all of these. With all this, I don't like it. So I just go ahead on, I clean all this out right like so. I cut it open. All right, y'all, now that you got your dead legs out on both sides, y'all, go ahead on like a 1/4 inch, y'all, behind the eyes and the mouth, and go ahead and cut that right on off, okay? Just throw that away. Get rid of that. Now check this out. Lift it up right here, y'all. Take a knife or scissors or whatever and just cut right here. There's a little pocket. I like to get this out. Just clean all that right up out of there. Get it nice and clean. All right, y'all, so check it out. Go ahead and put you some vegetable oil in your pot, whatever you want to use. Get it to 350 degrees, all right? What we're going to do is we're going to get the fire going on here to get that rolling at 350. And then while we're doing that, y'all, we'll go ahead on and get our soft shell crabs all prepared and ready to go into the oil. Some good eating right here, I guarantee it. All right, y'all, so now go ahead with 4 large eggs in your bowl, put a 1/4 cup of milk, and then what I want you to do, y'all, is go ahead with your Cajun seasoning. Everybody always asks what season I'm using, y'all. That's my seasoning. I'll have the website in the description, okay? If you're interested, definitely check that out, all right? Just go ahead on. Give it a good mix. When you're doing the soft shell crabs, you do want a more thicker consistency here, so don't go too heavy on that milk. 1/4 cup is good, the 4 eggs. That'd be nice, okay? That'd be good right there. Now, go ahead with whatever fish fry you like, okay? I'm gonna tell you what I do. I go with seasoned fish fry already, y'all. Okay? Take a look. Whatever you got, you're gonna put it in. Go ahead with that seasoned fish fry, like I said. That is not regular. That's seasoned already. Alright, on top of that, I go with more of my Cajun seasoning, y'all. I feel like you got to have some good flavor, okay? Like so. Just like that, perfect. Alright, y'all, go ahead on, hit that egg wash up like so. Make sure you get it nice and covered, okay? And then, let it drip here just for a second. And look at it, check it out. Lift up right here, y'all. And make sure you get some good fish fry underneath it, okay? Like that's like I like to do. See right there, look. Make sure you get some good fish fry there. Flip it back over like that, y'all. Hit it up right here, look. Beautiful. That's perfect. Look at that. Well, I guarantee you, y'all. I'm telling you, make sure you get some good bat on that. Now, look. What I want you to do is hit it 2 times. Oh, boy, it's going to be some good eating, y'all. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all ever had this, because I got some friends down there in Texas said they ain't never heard of soft shell crab, so I don't know. I guess I just take it for granted. Everybody knows about them, you know, but let me know what y'all ever had them before. If so, what y'all think about them, you know. That's what we're looking for, y'all. Just go ahead on, y'all. Repeat that process until all of them's coated up, all right? All right, y'all, we at 350 degrees. Go ahead and put the soft shell crabs up in there so they're golden brown. Around 3 minutes or so, okay? Y'all check these babies out, man. They're beautiful golden brown, y'all. That's what we're looking for. Check these out. Well, I'm going to tell y'all something right there. Look, you can make a soft shell crab po' boy. You can make some fries to go with that, y'all. You can go with some onion rings on that. I mean, man. Or like I said, just a good old po' boy. Soft shell crab po' boy, y'all, with some lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, some mayonnaise, y'all, some hot sauce. That's a good po' boy right there. So now, y'all, there's a whole lot. I didn't explain to y'all. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can eat them. Just like this. Get some ketchup, some hot sauce. Make a po' boy, do whatever you want. But let me tell you this. Soft shell crabs down here in Louisiana are expensive, y'all. Maybe like $5 to $7 a piece, because people that get the soft shell crabs, what they do is, y'all, they see like on the back, should have showed y'all when it was still raw, but on the thumb of the crab, y'all, it'll get like a red line on it, and so they know that it's about to lose its shell and get a bigger one, and they keep them in little saltwater tanks, not deep, maybe like this. And as soon as they come out of that hard shell, you got to snatch them out of the water. If not, within an hour or so, they get back hard again, or a paper shell and then hard. So a lot of work goes into getting soft shell crabs. That's why they're so expensive. But if you can get your hands on some, they're definitely worth trying, y'all. They're absolutely delicious, y'all. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like I said, let me know if you ever had them before. All right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all.